I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night.
Hey guys, how's everybody doing? So guys, I have a little Sephora unboxing. Yeah, I opened the box already, guys. So I'll be sharing with you guys what I got from Sephora. However, guys, I think there's 2 products or 3 that I have been using. All the others are pretty much new that I will be trying out, and I will update you guys. Guys, my skin, I have on makeup now, guys, but my skin has come a long way to the point where, you know, I am so confident, but some improvement, right? It can still be better. I'm still seeing uneven skin tone. I'm still seeing, you know, blemishes and stuff, but yeah, so with that said, let's get into the unboxing. So the first thing I got, guys, the first thing I have here is the Dermalogica oil cleanser, guys. So why I got this cleanser, guys, because I realized when I wear makeup, if I don't have a oil cleanser, like I feel like the oil cleanser will remove everything completely, because sometimes when I use my other face wash, guys, I realize that, like, you know, I'm still seeing residue of the makeup. So I said, okay, let me get this. I've heard a lot about this on TikTok, so I said I'm gonna try it out. It says it's formulated without artificial fragrances and colors. It removes makeup, sunscreen, excess oil, and impurities. So I'm excited to try this, guys. The next thing I got is Faded. And guys, Faded has changed it for me. I absolutely love Faded, guys. It has bring my skin to another level. So go get you some Faded if you have hyperpigmentation and you want to, you know, brighten up your face. Hyperpigmentation, go get yourself Faded, guys. The next thing I have here is The Ordinary, and I have been using this, guys, for quite some time. It's niacinamide, 10% plus zinc 1%. High, it's vitamins and minerals, and they said high strength vitamin mineral blemish formula. It does brighten your skin, it keeps your skin hydrated, and it helps to even your skin tone. Yeah. The next thing I have here, guys, is the Glow Recipe, and I have been using this since November, or I think it was November or September, and guys, or this, I don't remember, but it is awesome. I absolutely love this, guys. Yeah, it hydrates your face. It just gives you such a glow, and it's not sticky. It's very light. I love it. It's watermelon glow, niacinamide dew drops, ultimate glow, and brightening serum. I love this. Okay, let me show you the bottle, guys. There's the bottle. Very cute bottle. The next thing I have, guys, is this lip gloss. It's Fenty Skin Cherry Treat, and guys, I have it on right now. I love it. I love it. It's a conditioning lip oil. I absolutely love it. The next thing, guys, that I am excited, you know, about trying is this Paula's Choice Exfoliate. 2% BHA liquid exfoliant, unclog and shrink enlarge pores, soothes uneven skin tone, lightweight liquid, absorb quickly. I'm excited about this one too, guys. Yeah. Once or twice apply. It says once or twice daily. Apply over face and neck with cotton pad. Do not rinse for daytime use. Yeah. So I'm excited to try this. This is another Paula's Choice. This is vitamin C. And we know vitamin C helps to brighten and even our skin tone, guys. I think I've used vitamin C on my face twice, but I want to be consistent and I want to try this brand out. And guys, the last Sephora all that I did was, I think before I went to Jamaica or after I came back, guys, and those products lasted about 6 months. So I know these are gonna last me a while. Guys, what I'm most excited about is this face moisturizer. I've heard so much of it, guys. I've heard so much about this product. It's called Tatcha, the Dewy Skin Cream, and it's the biggest size, guys. It's rich cream of antioxidant packed with Japanese purple rice hyaluronic acid that feeds skin with plumping hydration for a dewy, healthy skin glow. Yay. So I'm excited, guys, to try it. Let me show you. This is the container that it comes in. Yeah, I'm excited, guys. I'll keep you posted with this one. It's really nice. I think I'm paying for the this, guys. So guys, I'm trying a different foundation and concealer. This one is the Too Faced Super Coverage Sculpting Concealer, and this is in the color Chai. Yeah, right now, guys, I have on NARS and a Shoppers Drug Mart concealer. Yes, I want to try these. I currently out completely, and those I think I bought when I was going to Jamaica in April. So see, guys, since April I've been using those, and I just have to re-up now. And I said, let me try a different brand. So this is the Too Faced Born This Way 24-hour undetectable super long wear foundation, and I am excited to try this one, guys. So, and I am wearing the color, this is the color Mahogany. So I hope it, goes well with my complexion. So guys, that's pretty much it for my Sephora haul. I will keep you guys updated as time goes by on the new products that I have gotten. But I think all the other, there was 3 guys that I've been using and I can swear by them. All the others I'll be pretty much new and I'll be trying, so I'll keep you guys up to date. All right,
put your sweats on for me. Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say